Got an interview coming up? This is your 30 seconds interview prep guide, so don't miss it. Forget the basic advice. Here are the ones that nobody tells you. So the first one is audit the job description for hidden priorities. Look for words that are repeated 3 to 5 times. That's what they secretly care about the most. So next one is prepare 3 proof stories. Not 10 skills, just 3 powerful stories from your past experience that prove you can handle pressure, learn fast, and solve problems. These work for 80% of interview questions. The next one is practice your answers aloud. Even a few minutes of speaking out improves your voice modulation, clarity, and overall delivery time. And lastly, have a recovery line ready. So if you mess up, let me reframe this clearly. This one sentence instantly saves a bad answer. So these are the insider prep tips that top candidates use. So now you know them too. Save this for later and follow us for more.